Hey everyone, welcome to Connie's Journey. I started this YouTube channel so that I could share a little bit about my life as a wife, a mom, a business owner, and a patient living with autoimmune illness. In October of 2018, I had life-changing surgery, and I'd like to share a little bit about my journey with you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to Connie's Journey. I just wanted to give you a couple of tips today in regards to when you go to empty your bag and to avoid splashback and possible urinary tract infections. So, when you go to use the toilet, I do everything sitting down. A lot of people do it standing up. However, the higher up you are, once you empty your bag, a lot of times that can create a splashback. So whether you're sitting down or standing up, this is what I recommend. If you're in a public bathroom, you take 1 or 2 seat covers and you place it inside the toilet, so that way it creates like a top layer, and then when you go to empty the bag, it won't have that splash effect. If there's no seat covers, you can just use toilet paper. Also, you should be doing this at home, taking a small piece of toilet paper, placing it in the toilet, pretty much where you're going to first empty, where it usually hits. So that way the toilet paper right away absorbs it, and then you can avoid the splashback. Also, if you sit down, use the restroom, and then empty your bag, I recommend that you use the restroom, pull your clothing back up, sit back down, and then empty the bag. Reason being is that urinary tract infections happen very easily from microscopic bacteria. If there is some sort of splashback, even though you didn't feel anything, it's microscopic, so that can create a urinary tract infection. And if you end up pulling your clothing back up, it's not gonna get in there. And then if it does get on your clothing, that's okay. We usually all carry a change of clothes with us, so then you would have the option to change your clothes. But I guarantee you, you'd rather change your clothes other than get a urinary tract infection. So that's a little tip that I do. It has always worked for me, standing up to empty the bag, being so high from the toilet generally, and then nothing in the toilet will cause that splashback. So that is why I empty it while I'm sitting down, but I'm always protected by making sure that I put my clothes back on after I use the restroom and then empty the bag. Yes, it can be a little bit more work, but it's definitely worth it if you're trying to avoid splashback and urinary tract infection.